Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a detailed guide on how to add due times to tasks on Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide, so buckle up. First things first, let's open up your Asana dashboard. Now, if you're new to Asana, this is essentially your home base for all your tasks and projects. The reason we start here is to give you a clear view of all pending tasks that need due times to be set. Now that we've done that, locate the task you want to assign a due time to and click on it. This will open up the task details on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you can dive into the specifics of each task, including assigning due times. Next up, let me show you how to actually set the due time. Look for the due date field in the task details pane. Click on the date field and a calendar will pop up. Now here's the trick. Once you've selected the date, you'll notice a time field appears underneath. This is where you can set the specific time for the task. This feature helps us because it allows us to add a layer of specificity to our tasks, helping ensure everything gets done on time. Moving on, after you've input the desired time, just click outside the calendar box and your due time will automatically be saved. This important step confirms your changes and communicates to your team when exactly this task is due. After setting the due time, it's smart to leave a comment in the task for your team members indicating the change. Just type your message in the comment box at the bottom of the task pane and hit enter. The reason we do this is to ensure clear communication with your team so they are all aware of the due time. There you have it. You've just learned how to add due times to tasks on Asana. This simple, yet powerful feature can greatly enhance your project management and team collaboration. It's all about staying organized and ahead of the game. And with that, we wrap up this tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep playing around with Asana until you're comfortable using all its features. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.